It is so nice for you to come go through your grandfather's things.
Grandpa was such an amazing mind. I can't believe he was a scientist for Kodak.
He was the smartest man I knew. You let me know if you need any help.
Life's work?
Here you go. Have some food.
I found a video of Grandpa feeding the birds.
Oh, he loved those birds.
Would love to know how to fly. You won't tell me, huh? Okay. Maybe some more seeds will sweeten the deal. You've got your food! Now tell me the secret of flight!
What the hell was that?
Sure would be nice to know how to fly south this winter, huh? Oh, come on! You won't even tell one of your own?
Grandma? Did Grandpa spend his life trying to coerce birds into revealing the secret of flight?
Oh, I have no idea what he was doing. He would just keep shouting about his life's work and how he wondered what flavor the sky tasted like.
Yeah. You can't all bird videos.
All right. You just go in there and you get the information and you get out, okay? It's a win for both of us. They're not on your side. Who are you protecting, damn it? Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's me, Birdman. I know we're all here today to learn how to get hollow bones, and I'm here to tell you all you're gonna need is one bone, all right? And a Black & Decker drill, okay? So make sure you click the bell for notifications, all right? See you soon.
Our next letter is from Grandpa. Huh, it just says Grandpa. The letter reads, "Okay, you big flightless buffoon, tell me what I want or Elmo gets more than a tickle."
Didn't he have any home movies? Oh, cool. Huh. Okay, here we go.
You're so sweet, aren't you, my little grandson? Take the boy. Just teach me how to fly. Take him. He's yours. I don't want him anymore. Give me wings. All right. For this attempt, I'm going to try and read the bird's mind. Okay, guys, stop laughing. I'm trying to do it. All right. Tell me, damn you! This is what you want? You want to see an old man do the goddamn chicken dance? This is a message for my grandson. If you're reading this message, I've undoubtedly learned how to fly. Please have all my belongings forwarded to the sky. That's it.
Man, Grandpa was a weirdo.
Now teach me to swim.